What if I tell you that over 50 billion US dollars were invested in medical and healthcare applications just in 2020? That's crazy, right? Absolutely, it is. And that's the reason we are going to talk about whether it is still a good idea to invest in a healthcare application in 2021. If you guys don't know me, my name is Deep and I'm from Ibiixo. Stay tuned on our channel to know more about healthcare applications and other trending applications in 2021. Healthcare and medical applications have grown tremendous level, not just in 2020 but 2021 as well. Not from users' perspective, but from doctors' perspective and as an hospital perspective as well. So today we are going to check some of the facts and figures which will help us to understand whether it's still a good time, whether we are going in the right direction when you are investing in a healthcare or any medical applications or anything related to healthcare. The usage of telemedicine or healthcare application have grown tremendously. If you talk about the percentage, it has grown 38 times compared to pre-COVID situations. The crazy fact is more than 60% of Americans have either already used telemedicines or are planning to use in 2021 in the near future. So that itself gives a green signal that investment in that direction is definitely a good idea. So from the customer's perspective, if we see, it's absolutely a good idea because people are moving towards it, people have already moved towards it, and it says that it is going to stay long. It's not going to go away like a bubble. It's going good and people are still going to move more towards telemedicine compared to the traditional method. So do you have any idea on what type of application you should develop? Because there are so many things you can plan in healthcare system when it comes to developing an application, mobile application, whether we are talking about web application or anything. If not, don't worry about that. In the next video, we are specifically going to talk about the type of applications you can plan so that you can get an idea that what is the direction you plan to go with based on the country you are living in, based on the type of people you are living around. Coming back to the video, does doctors see a need of an application? The facts are interesting. More than 90% doctor feels that they can serve more patients in a better way when they are dealing with an online system like mobile application or a web application. More than 70% hospitals have already accepted some way or the other mobile applications, web applications to connect doctors and patients. This is going to make the life much more easier and increase the productivity of the staff, including doctors. That is itself going to change the way the healthcare system is going to work in the near future. More than that, virtual consultation, the virtual meeting between doctor and patients have increased 32 times. That's again tremendous. I don't have any other word for that. 32 times compared to the situations it was before the COVID, right? So that the online consultation system has increased 32 times. That is again a really good sign on how patients and doctors both are adapting the e-consultations, virtual consultations or video consultation services. Not just the relationship between the doctor and the patient. More than 39% doctors feel that their administrative tasks have been reduced. The way the back-end process have definitely reduced while using an online system because they get all the statistics, they get all the data, they get all the records all in one place. More than 36% doctor feels that it has become much more easier to collaborate with the staff with the presence of an e-applications, mobile applications or web application. Having all these positive points, it's definitely a good idea to move towards investing in an online applications which is related to medical, healthcare or any other things related to that. Do have a look at the other videos in the series so that you can get more perspective about the same industry, healthcare application development. And contact us for developing any hospital management, online consultations, ERP systems, anything related to medical, anything related to healthcare. You'll find all the details, contact details in the description. Stay in touch.